this video, we'll be doing the unboxing and have a quick look at this one. And yes, this is not available in India. I got this I purchased it from Dubai. Unboxing is very easy, like most Apple products. And I was not very sure if Apple would launch this in India, and if so, at what price. Because in US it's about $350 plus tax, and in India certainly with the new after the budget they have added taxes, so I'm not very sure if they'll launch it in India and in fact what price. So we have one plastic cover over here, so it just comes out, and it is actually pretty small, as you can see. So that's what you get in the box. Not a lot of stuff. This has some Apple stickers, obviously in round shape. HomePod, it says a mini guide, and obviously you need an iOS device like iPhone or iPad, etc. to configure this. So nothing else in the box, so that's what it is. And you also get this cable, and many people were saying that this cable is not removable. It is actually removable. You can take it out if you want. If you pull it hard, it just comes out. Oh damn, I purchased this outside India, so I've now used a converter for this. But anyways, this is the HomePod, and this will work only with Apple devices. It's an Apple accessory. It's a smart speaker. Yes, I know it works only with Siri, so I'm not expecting it to be as intelligent as Google Home. So I've just plugged this up, and let me show you. A small LED is actually glowing. Let me bring it closer so that you can have a look. As you can see, and obviously you need an iOS device to actually configure it. It made some sound. So I have an iPhone. Obviously, guys, if you don't have and it automatically detected that, as you can see. So that's Apple setup for you. Not a lot of fuss. And it says iCloud for home will be turned on to set. Okay, I don't have a choice, so I'll just press continue. Okay, what is this? Where is this? I will see. Let's see. It doesn't give Office. I wanted to keep it in Office. It has Office, so yeah, I'm going to use that. And English language, I'm just going to use English United States for now, and enable personal requests. I know it's a privacy issue, but just for the demo, let's just enable everything. I use this iPhone. And Siri on HomePod, obviously it's an Apple device, so it works with Siri. So you can talk to Siri, say, hey Siri, etc. So we'll just continue. Oh my God, no problem. Oh, I didn't charge one. And it says it's going to transfer my settings, so I'm just going to do that. So again, it makes some sound, and this LED just glows. It says HomePod setting up. So this might take a couple of minutes, I'm assuming. It's a LCD display. I don't get it. I've heard that they don't display a lot of information over here. When they have a proper LCD beneath this, it's glowing and whatnot. They could have given information, but yeah, that's typical Apple. They don't give you a lot of options. And regarding the, it is heavy for such a small size. In fact, I'll give you an idea about the size. It's slightly taller than the iPhone 10. So not very big, but it is very dense. It weighs quite a bit. In fact, it weighs about 2.5 kilograms. And that's a good thing for speakers. That means it has good quality components. And
I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, hey Siri. Let's try it. Say, hey Siri, what can you do?
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, hey Siri, play some music.
Hey Siri, what's the weather?
It's currently clear and 31 degrees in Hyderabad. Temperatures are heading down from 32 degrees this evening to 24 tonight.
Hey Siri, play some music.
Okay, here's a personal radio station built just for you, starting with Bruno Mars. Remember, anytime you have a question, just say, hey Siri.
Hey Siri, stop. So I don't want to fall on copyright. So the setup was fairly easy and it's done. What I'll do is I'll use the speaker for a day or so, and in the next video share my impressions about this HomePod and what I feel regarding the sound quality and how actually Siri works. So again, stay tuned for that video. It's going to be an in-depth video about 10 odd minutes, and how actually this HomePod works in Indian scenarios. Does it work with Hindi music, etc. So again, stay tuned to my channel. I'll be posting that video very soon, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video.